Hey guys, it's a run. Today, the new update's about to launch, so we're gonna watch the video for it. If you wonder why I have no cosmetics, I'm not banned. I don't know what's going on, but it just won't let me have any cosmetics. So we're gonna watch the new teaser video. What? Caves is flooded? Nah, there's a shark. Okay. I'm gonna join a code with the Sky Squad, and we're gonna check out the video. The update, sorry. Let's get to it. Okay, so I can't see any cosmetics at all, guys. But I'm gonna read the message of the day before the update now. Dearest monkeys, in 1 week, Paintball is going on a temporary break to make room for a brand new game mode. Paintball will be back, so check out the new game mode July 26th today while it's available, and get ready for some more game modes in the future. Lastly, 7 days left until Metropolis and Summer City flashbacks are out of here. Keep on climbing. Alright, now let's just wait for the new update.
Bruh.
Become Shark. Dive into the caves with exciting new shark cosmetics. Watch out, you are not alone in the water. Check out the Splash and Dash pack. Monkey Alert. Ambush, the newest game mode, is here. Will you escape the chase or be caught underwears? What? Nah, this looks sick. Wait, don't. Ambush. Wait, Hunt is limited. Hunt is leaving.
Game mode.
The camping update.
Wait, go look at it. Go look at it. Go look at it.
Wait, it's still there? No. Guys, this is ambush. We're on ambush. You're invisible. You are invisible.
What? Wait, why are we like this? This is like infection. Oh my god. Okay, we have to wait for everyone. He's invisible. Whoever has no cosmetics is literally gone invisible. No, we're invisible.
This is so weird.
We're invisible. Yeah, we're invisible. This is the new.
Guys, let's check out the cosmetics.
Come, let's go check out the new cosmetics.
Whoa. It's a drone.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Oh, it's another one. It's another drone. Look, the new fur.
Guys, look at second floor. There's a fish on second floor. There's a fish on second floor.
It's not different. Wait, guys. What is going on?
It's got frozen.
Why is caves different? Why is it colored like this? It's blue!
What is it?
Guys, look at this. My cosmetics. There's a computer in every map now. There's a computer in every map now.
Yeah, I know. There's water balloons in every map. I saw them in Forest.
This is so cool. Guys,
And everyone's got.
let's try to play the game mode in here.
I'm on.
Guys, let's check what's in here. It's
This is so weird. Why is it flooded?
Everything's floating. Alright, go to the piano. Go to the piano.
You should go.
Shark!
Where?
There's a shark! There's a shark!
Where's the shark?
Go! There's a shark! There's a shark!
Where'd it go?
Hey! You can hold him! You can ride on him!
This is so cool.
Wait, there's a shark! His name's gonna be Sam the Shark. His name's Sam the Shark.
What happens when he touches you?
You know the bat. You know the bat. The bat was a scuba diver. He was wearing a scuba diver.
Guys, let's go check out all the other maps.
Wait, look, we're invisible. Like when you're untagged and
Guys, let's check out Forest.
Guys, wait, what's that here? Forest. Oh, summer camp. There's summer
Summer camp?
in Forest. What's that? What's
Summer
that?
camp?
Guys, there's summer camp.
Yes, there's summer camp.
There's summer camp.
Oh my god, this is so cool. It's the trampoline.
Trampoline.
No,
What's
look
back?
everyone.
but we don't have paintball. That's the thing.
Let's check it out first. Oh, look, there's the computer.
Yeah, Beach has
A
its own.
computer. Yeah, we will in a minute.
Oh, this is so nice.
Can we check out the
Woo!
Can we check? Guys, let's see.
They're making a tent over here.
Whoa, you're invisible. You were invisible. I couldn't see you.
Jig!
Wait, I can't see anybody's cosmetics. Is anybody even wearing cosmetics? Nope.
How do you even see me?
Someone says it's got thanks. No,
Nah. Guys, look, there's balloons in the sky.
Look, there's hot air balloons.
Guys, look, there's a big pool.
No,
Guys, there's a pool.
the pill. Guys,
There's a pool. Catch Alex. Yeah, Alex. Guys, shh. We need to get Alex. Guys, run. Don't get caught by whoever's it.
How is everybody getting tagged? It's so scary.
Me. I'm right here. You can't see me.
because you don't know
No,
where.
I couldn't see you.
Super sword. Oh,
Woo!
wait,
Guys, look over here. There's a pool in clouds. Guys, there's a big shark.
no, I can't see you. Yeah, because it's ambush.
Who's on for ambush? Guys, they're after me! The person who's on is after me! Run! Stop chasing me, please! Ah, run, Alex! Guys, run! It's after me! No! Okay guys, that was the ambush gorilla tag update, whatever. The new game mode update. Anyways, see you in the next one.